had other plans in store for me. I gotta take these kids to our favorite store. You don't like Heyyy? Oh, well I guess mine THs are my sister's favorite store. I don't know, Nana's kind of wishy-washy. I don't know if she really likes it anymore. Yeah, exactly. See, she's wishy-washy. Oh my gosh. Did he? No. So yeah, we're going to the best place on earth.
I'm recording too.
Yes. What?
I'm a vlogger too. I could be a vlogger.
You could be a vlogger.
I don't do anything in life, but I could be a vlogger.
But I don't do too many things in life. Like I feel like it's boring. Like my life.
Yeah, but it's funny. You're funny.
Do you think so?
Said in your video.
Anyways, guys, we're at the best place on earth. I can't believe it's gonna be closing. Huh?
So they say.
Next year.
I know, but there was last year.
No. December 2016.
I told Mom I want to get one of the pictures. Okay, cool.
I love this place. Here? Yes, it is.
Yay. Did they close off the other part? Wasn't it too
Ding, 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 ding. Hell yeah, girl. I'm shopping. Yeah, I think we should be fine with one.
Look at your head. Make my teeth extra big.
Oh man, I'm not cute at all. Yo,
Wow.
this is a picture.
I feel really short.
So we're at Honested's.
Dude, why don't you get
We
a dog?
don't even have to try. Oh, I need. All right, let's walk upstairs. Woo. Yeah, this is the only thing that this place. Well, they do have. Yeah, you can find it on the men's floor. I know where it is on the men's floor. It's actually right over there. Yeah.
Does it go sideways? What do you mean sideways?
Oh, like across?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
No,
Yeah, but they're not gonna do that.
they're closing. Oh, now it's not working. But that's the elevator. The last time I was here, it was working. Like, honestly, that's how I know it was working. Yeah, what's on sale?
Tissue paper.
Oh, God. Whoa. Festivities outside. Let's get a hot dog or a hamburger. Ooh. Toronto Fringe.
Where is that? How are you gonna want to phone on this?
The tent.
Don't say that. How we could fall. Jeez, calm down.
Videographer?
Baby. What?
You want a videographer?
Sure. Let's get something. Oh, let's get something for Auntie Sharon. Oh, never mind. I'm drawing.
Today.
Do, 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 do.
So cute.
Sometimes it seems so zoom in. How you just go walk in front of the camera like that? Look at the bib. No, still big.
That's it. I'm going to grandma's.
Grandma's?
Are so cute.
Grandma's for what?
I wonder which one Lorraine would like.
Who's Lorraine? Oh, yeah.
Seriously? Yeah, like seriously.
She's pregnant?
Yeah.
Again? Nobody told me. So I don't know.
A girl.
Oh yeah, you told me. Okay.
You never told me.
It came out already. You're having another one.
But I'm gonna get both anyways because my godchild.
Your godmother?
Again.
To who?
It's like the 10th one.
Who are you a godmother to?
$2. Oh, look at me. You don't like these shoes?
No.
They have bows on it.
So? I like that one. I like this
guys.
one. Get this one. Oh.
Oh my god, it's my baby.
There's that one too.
Oh, that one's cute.
I like these
Oh
two.
my god.
I like these two.
I love the Minnie Mouse
Especially
one too.
since she's black. It's gonna look
Blue
good.
actually.
Blue?
They have slippers.
Any which way. How long do you have to wait to put a baby in the pool?
You put them in right away. Baby goes in water.
Alright.
You know, if a baby right now was supposed to like drown, like if like right at birth, like they wouldn't drown. They would survive because they've been living in water for so long. They know how to survive.
That's alright. I'm confused.
You went downstairs?
Like it tends to be divided.
I really want my blue hat.
Get it. It's $10.
I know. I have the red and the burgundy and the black.
Looks good with the thing. You should get blue braids.
Like that girl?
Yeah, but long. Like like if you put it in a ponytail here, it'll be down there.
Oh god. I want to braid my hair, but I just need to find the time to sit down and do it.
You're gonna braid your own hair?
I always do.
Oh. Then that's gonna take like 2 days.
Or more.
Yeah.
Depending on how lazy I am.
I think I'm sweating this glue. I'm coming.
Alright. No problem. Okay. Okay, bye. Yes. Bye. Not tired anymore, Shia?
Of course not.
Yo. Oh, what a workout. You see, now to go to the gym this time of year. Walk up the stairs. Walk down the stairs. Just bring your dumbbells. Do they have dumbbells here?
Yeah. You know how tired you will be? That's so true. But that means you have to take the bus.
It smells very good over here.
It's so
I know. But it smells so good. It smells really, really good.
Hey, that's a little too close, you know.
God. So invasive.
Hey,
You need some lotion?
you want to be a part of the thing? Oh, good. That's nice. Sorry. Free lotion. I'm gonna hang this on my. Here's your headbands. Q-Tex. Why don't you buy some Q-Tex?
What, you like them? I don't know what to get.
Why don't you buy some Q-Tex?
I don't want to fix it.
For mom. Mom doesn't wear those type of stuff. Oh, I need to look for my art stuff. Gotta be coming with me on my journey now. Look for art stuff. I'm gonna draw. Call me. I can draw you for yourself. I think I need some don't need liquid paper. I need an eraser. A really good eraser. An eraser. Where y'all at? I feel like I just passed it. And then again, I feel like I don't know where it is. Oh, see? I did pass it. You can get some good pencils then. No, I don't need pencils. Bye. I'm back.
Bracelet. I know, but
Oh, look, they have a snake.
no, thank you. I have one of those already. Try which one?
That one.
This one?
No, that one.
See, Tasia chose this one. You chose this one first, and now you're saying this one. I feel like I should just get them both.
Go get them both. Can you give me an eraser?
Girl.
I need a really good eraser if I'm gonna do the art for Auntie. I don't have it. Oh, those jewelry thingies?
But this one goes actually on your head, no?
I know, but no. I like the chain ones.
I have a chain one.
Oh.
But I'm saying, like, I want one of these. What do you think, Asia? Oh, boy.
What is this?
No, this is a waste of money. It'll stay on your nails.
No. Rub your forehead?
You're gonna have to glue them on because you wash dishes. And then put a clear coat over it. Like these have studs on them.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's gonna glue.
I'm just so tired. I can't even function right now. What? Do for the vine. Do for the vine. Do for the vine. I ain't gonna do. Do for the vine. What, you supposed to support it? She gets everything for us at cheap places. She got my clothes at some cheap. You know that,
I
right?
should get this eyebrow trimmer. Nah, just
No.
use my tweezer.
You just want to buy stuff because you're here. Tasia. Oh, I need headphones. That's what I came here for. Yes. Yes. $8.99. $8.99. $4.99. $2.99. This is more my price. $2.49. This is way more my price. $1.90. Whoa! I want the good ones though. I want cheap ones. Let me ask Zoe. Think this is good quality?
Which one?
Zoe, which ones are better? Let's see that one.
Well, I guess because this one has the pearl.
Which one do you like better? This one's $2.49, but I don't want cheap ones because the ones I got were cheap. Because the rest, like these ones are good, right? But they're $8.99.
We should go to the dollar store. Like the video died. No? Ew. Why'd you take that? You got everything on it, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. We're finally sitting down in a comfortable spot. You understand? Yeah, we're good tired. I gotta pee. I'm so tired to go tinkle. I can't even find the energy to do that.
Earn 50 extra rewards points. On restaurants
I
only.
love my glasses. I've been waiting so long to wear these. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna go home soon because I'm going on a date. That means I gotta go charge my camera so I can vlog my date. You guys gonna be Marlon soon in the vlog.
Are you gonna do a tag?
I don't know if he'll do it with me. He's so Jamaican.
When your mouth and taste buds
So you
are
could do the
craving more
boyfriend
than just
tag?
something from a
Yeah, but he's so Jamaican. He won't do it. Like after 2 questions, he's gonna be like, I don't have time for this. She's eating her soggy salad now, girl. We're at Nana's now. We're at the shop. We finally left and made it. She's sitting there. No, Mom, nobody wants your cold tacos. It's gonna taste so bad.
No, it's not. What?
when it's warmed up,
Oh, it's the lettuce.
the hard is not gonna be hard. The lettuce is gonna be soggy. The cheese is gonna melt. It's not gonna taste the same. Unless you put it in the oven, it might work out a little bit better. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later.
I really like my glasses.
Yeah, I brought these to Jamaica like 2 times. I got them at Stitches. They were $1. Would you go put these down? No. Can I see you in them? Let me see how I look. Oh, you actually look really cute in them.
Do I look like Urkel?
No, you actually look really, I like them. I think they look so cute. Toodles, guys. It was such a great day. It was such a good day today. I had so much fun. You guys should invite me every Saturday. And buy me stuff. Yeah, but I'm saying you should buy me stuff. You could buy me stuff. You're my niece. My boss. Yes, I do. Okay, bye, poops. Not yet. Bye. Not yet. I can wait with you guys. Your bus is coming in.
These times are wrong sometimes.
2 minutes. And then mine is coming in 7 minutes. Or I could take that bus and go home, but that's just gonna take too long right now. Are you coming around now? You coming around now? You coming around now, sir? Yeah, you coming around? Oh yeah, I think this bus is coming around. Okay, you guys call me when you get home, okay?
Yeah.
Bye, I love you guys so much. Oh my god. Please make sure you guys call me when you get home, okay? So yeah, I'm going home now. Wasn't my boss. Are you coming around, sis? Are you coming around? No. Oh my god, don't scare me like that. Can I have a bite?
Want coupons?
Got your bird.
Want coupons?
Save them. We might need them on our adventures.
We have Wonderland.
Okay. No problem. Okay, bye guys. Love you. Call me when you guys get home. Don't forget I'll slap you. Screw this, guys. I gotta go home and get ready for my date. See you guys later. So I'm going to dinner. Going out with Babe. Yep, he's taking me out. Let me just make sure there's no lipstick on my teeth. Look, like, I swear I'm cursed.
It's about time you guys stop with those shit.
What, lipstick?
Yeah.
What's wrong with lipstick?
Fuck you right now, fucking lipstick.
Okay, there's no reason to curse. What's wrong with lipstick?
Lipstick is garbage.
How is it garbage?
You know what make lipstick?
Yeah, fish scales.
Fish scales. Oh, you don't want to eat fish.
I eat fish. How do you guys think I look? Like, yes, I'm so excited. I love going out. Most of the time. Especially like that. So yeah, that's currently what we're doing right now. I'm going to Red Lobsters. Yeah, I'm going to Red Lobster. I heard apparently it's Lobster Fest right now. Honey, I am so geeked right now to go to this place. So, yeah. And then we might go to a party later. I don't know. But, yeah, that's currently what we're doing right now. So, yeah. I forgot I could do that.
I read like a legend. Tell me class. Cute?
Orpheus, yeah. Merlin, the thing!
So I pay for dinner, you pay for dessert. So not your mom?
Yeah, you want ice cream? I can't eat it, but
How come?
my tooth.
What?
I can't eat anything cold
Why?
because it's still sensitive. Didn't I tell you they're sending me to a specialist? These people don't know how you drive. Yeah. It was the worst root canal ever. Yeah, that could be a trap, so let's not.
Chop your hoops. Me a blood clot Jamaican, and me tell you this blood clot chop what? You get fucked. Oh, chop.
This guy's seriously a bad man. This guy's seriously a bad man.
Yo, I'm not a bad man, but I'm just telling you. I tell my mother this, and I never tell you.
So silly, guys. I swear.
Silly.
He swears he's a bad man.
Not a bad man, that prison. See me that prison? Free right now.
4 now.
I mean,
Right now, 4 now.
Forever.
I hope so.
I mean, you hope so.
I said, I hope so. I ain't trying to be like holding down no man in jail.
Yeah, I would know. But look, I know that man. Really? Yo, man, you step and carry me a drive. 2 colors, so you can go right or left. Yeah.
No, it's up or down.
No, right or left.
So yeah, date night. It's been a while. So I'm excited. Just to have, good conversation, some really good food, with my boo and stuff. Before the kids come along, I need these moments to keep our friendship going, because in a relationship you gotta be friends. You have to be friends first. That's, where the communication part and everything comes in. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Last time I went with Buffy, I couldn't have alcohol because I was on medication, girl. I'm still on medication, but this one I can drink. So I'm gonna drink. I'm gonna turn up, and then I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna turn up, and then I'm gonna go out, and then I'm gonna turn up. Anyways, you guys, I wish you guys could see my dress, but you guys can't see it right now. But I bought this dress today. I bought this dress today at Orden's. I got my rings at Charlotte Russo. I can't remember the place in the States. And my chain, actually, I bought this today when I went to Honest Ed's. Yeah, I bought this chain today at Honest Ed's. It was $4.99, okay? $4.99, and it came with the earrings, but I don't like the type of earrings that it was with. I bought 2 sets, actually, this one and a different one. And I gave the earrings both to my mom. They're the dangly kind. Anybody else have that? And yeah, so I didn't want to flat iron my hair because I was like, I actually like how it falls. It looks a little bit more natural this way because I had it in a ponytail all day. And then my lipstick is it's supposed to be a plum color from Avon. I can't remember the exact name right now. From Avon though. And my earrings, I don't know where I got them from, but they're old. And yeah. Huh? What? Bits and donuts. Doesn't look like it's that full. Because most times there's like no parking. But then it means some bus no run. The party no turn up, it turn over. The party about champagne just a cuddle love. Hey, bye guys. Food's here. I got the same shit that I got the last time. Something feast. Mar got a lobster tail and
Oh, nice, man.
steak, but they didn't do it well done, so they had to take it back. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, it was a great night. I went to Red Lobster. I'm gonna finish eating my crab legs right now. Yes, Bae took me to Red Lobster, and then he took me out to a party. So we just came in not too long ago. It's 3:27 in the morning right now, so we're gonna sign off. Well, I'm gonna sign off and say goodnight. Marlon. McCoy. Say goodnight to the people then. Yo. Be nice. Just say goodnight. Say goodnight, man.
Go to your bed, man.
I'm gonna go to my bed. Just say goodnight and I'll go to bed.
Go to your bed. I'm not making nothing put on no fucking Instagram. No fucking shit. Turn that fucking stuff for my break it.
Babe, just say goodnight.
Good night to who?
To the viewers.
That never invite viewers in my life.
Well, they're invited to mine, so therefore
Okay.
they're invited to yours.
No,
yes,
no,
because
I don't-
we have a life.
I don't think so. I have my
Okay,
life.
can you just say
I
goodnight?
I have my life. I don't know about yours.
Okay, can you just say goodnight?
Good night to who?
Just
You?
say goodnight
you?
to.
You?
Just
Are
say
you going to
goodnight
bed
to
now?
the.
Good night, Zoe. Good
Are
night.
we going to bed?
Good night.
Are we going to bed?
Good.
I thought we were watching a movie.
Don't say are we, cause you're on some fuckery. Me not on the fuckery. You're there.
I thought we were watching a movie.
Go to your bed, man.
Okay, just say goodnight.
What you say? I'm okay.